Living at the beach in Ventnor City for the past 4 years, we have a really small yard, and to be honest, I'm no lawn expert. Both the front and backyard of this property hasn't been taken care of in a long time, and the goal today is to try, at least start, to bring it back to life. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know a thing about lawn care, but luckily for me, I have a teammate who owns a landscaping company and is gonna come over today to help me aerate and then reseed this lawn. Before he gets here though, I need to take care of this, I don't know, flower bed garden that the previous owners had that hasn't been touched in ages, it seems like. So hopefully I can square this away before he gets here and kind of flatten this out a bit. But I only have 2 shovels and a rake, so wish me luck. These people just left old Amazon cardboard boxes outside. Like, you just leave a box outside and just let it soak and just dissolve into the ground in your own yard? Once the platform was flattened out, it was time to remove all of the sticks and large debris in the yard, so we didn't mess up Leaf's aerator. This is Leaf. This is who I was talking about the other day. Leaf runs Ava Lawn Care down in South Jersey, and he's also one of the stellar defensemen on our hockey team. No one can get around him? Yeah. He came 45 minutes away just to help aerate the lawn and help seed me, so I really owe him a big one. Appreciate it, man.
All good. Glad to help.
Seeding is finished. Now we're putting the starter fertilizer down. The whole front yard is aerated. The entire backyard is aerated. There's hope. I think it's gonna come together nicely. We are almost done. Big thanks to Leaf for helping out today. Really appreciate it, dude. Got this platform crap garbage flattened out and all spread out. Fresh new seed over it. The lawn has love again. Hopefully we'll see some green in a couple weeks. It is pouring out there. That is so good for our new seed. I am so thrilled. I didn't think it was gonna rain. It was supposed to rain like an hour ago. It never came. It has come. And it is dumping. Over the next 2 weeks, we water the yard each day. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a very rewarding feeling seeing the plants that you just planted start to sprout. Are you trying to water Joe's lawn? You.
Just trying to get all the aspects of the lawn.
Oh my God, it's gonna go right on Joe's lawn.
We'll also get our trees.
Yeah, and our kayaks. And our deck, and our house.
It's raining. I thought I did pretty well. Oh, he thinks he's so good.
Man-made sprinkler.
I was gonna say, what's the
Hopefully our water bill is not too high.
Our water bill is gonna be just fine, and our grass is going to be thriving.
I know. Like this part right here is already like pretty all green. It's almost hatched up.
It's been 3 weeks since Kevin and Leaf seeded and fertilized this lawn, and it is looking so much better. But that doesn't mean that there's not a lot of work to be done.
Do you remember this shitty old garden bed? The grass is actually growing. Leaf, thanks again for helping me aerate, but today we gotta get the garden planted because we bought some plants and it's been a couple days now and they're still not in the ground. So we gotta do it before they die.
We are gonna have a shit ton of blueberries. I mean, look at them all. We have lots of things to plant today. Peony bushes, hydrangea bushes, herbs, some flowers, and some tomatoes. And a raspberry bush. But first, we gotta get to cleaning out these gardens. There's a lot of leaves in them. First things first, we are planting our herb garden. We bought these herbs probably 4 days ago, and they're dying. So we really need to get them in the garden and get them watered, because if not, we just threw away a whole boatload of money.
All that fresh soil.
We're putting 2 hydrangea bushes on here. And
Blue hydrangea bushes.
Blue?
Blue.
And getting rid of the weeds.
All summer he's going to tell me, what's that stick in the thing?
One of the big problems we're dealing with right now is the yard waste company just hasn't come pick up any yard waste in 2 weeks. So we have 9 cans full of yard waste because the previous owners didn't really do much with this yard and we had major work to do, obviously. But we have no cans for trash. So trash day's tomorrow and they still haven't picked up the freaking yard waste. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Hence the pile of weeds right here.
Man, I hope this guy grows.
Is that it? How much did we pay for that little thing? So $6.50 for that stick in the ground?
I told you you were going to call it a stick.
Are you kidding me?
Just let it live. Hydrangea bushes are expensive. Now don't lose it.
Next order of business, in case our hydrangea bushes don't do that well, is this nice peony bush. We're going to put this in the middle of the 2 hydrangeas, so hopefully if those don't grow, this one will bloom. It says for the next 20 years.
Show them what we're planning. Come on, don't lie. Show them. Show the people what they want to see.
We're planting a hydrangea bush.
Show them. Take it out and
I'm
show
not going to take it out. Then it really will die.
It already was out.
All right, well, we don't want to let it be out for any longer.
This is going to be a huge hydrangea bush by the fall.
Yeah, in 35 years. We planted a stick. You can't even see it. Can you point to it?
This is the stick.
Wow, that is pretty.
We're gonna have to water that one a lot.
I'm not really sure if we're making our garden better or we're just making it way worse. Just putting sticks straight up.
It's gonna look fine. It's gonna live. Have some faith. 2 peony bushes and 2 hydrangea bushes. They might not look like much right now, but they are going to be blooming very shortly.
2 sticks, 1 handful of soil, and 1 actual plant is what we just did. Really quick, do you guys hear that song? That is the ice cream man. I don't know when you were a kid if you had an ice cream man just drive around your neighborhood and deliver ice cream. That's what it is. It's really cool.
Next plant, tomatoes.
It's getting late and it's getting cold. I have to mow the lawn tomorrow and get it looking somewhat good.
And plant the rest of our crops.
And plant the rest of our crops, so we'll see you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Alright, it's day 2 on the lawn. Well, on the garden part of the lawn. Today we're cutting it and finally finding a place for the rest of these flowers. Plan for this garden is to actually get some flowers in it. So first I have to weed it and then hopefully get the flowers in and get it looking good as new.
I have this crappy old electric weed whacker meant for a little tiny lawn in Ventnor. And now we have a big 1/4 acre lot. So I'm probably gonna need to upgrade soon. I'm gonna be going through a lot of batteries today.
Bag numero 2.
What is it, a potato race or potato sack race?
Potato sack race. I mean, they're so big, there's no other way to get it open properly.
True.
Gotta do what you gotta do. Ace is the place with a helpful yard bag.
We're not sponsored by Ace, but Ace, if you want to sponsor us. Whoa, mama. Hey there.
It's hot out today.
Garden's looking good. Got some flowers. Time to plant the raspberry bush. Bush? I don't know.
I think it's bush.
Gotta be careful with raspberries. There's thorns on these things. Good stuff. Slide her down real quick and
It's
then...
officially topsoil time. When we bought the house, it came with 6 mature blueberry bushes, which we are absolutely stoked about. But they told us that we have to put down acidifier first, or that helps them grow better. So we're gonna do that before we put down our new soil.
For hydrangeas and blueberries, apply in the spring to lower soil pH. Although there's still work to be done and we've come a long way since moving, it's finally starting to look like our home. The yard is done, sprinkler's on.
It's getting me wet.
It's getting me wet as well as we stand right next to it. This is the best lighting.
But I'm happy with the progress we made. It's not completely done, but it's pretty darn close.
18 bags.
That's how many we used today alone.
Maybe more.
And we still have 9 trash cans.
Yeah. So our yard waste hasn't been picked up in 3 weeks, and I feel bad for the guys once they come by and grab it, but there's like nothing we can do. We've been delaying this because the yard waste hasn't been picked up, but we can't wait any longer.
Yeah, we are 39 weeks in 1 day, so baby could come at any time. Had to get done.
And you might be wondering what these big things are next to our deck. They're not body bags, they're actually just kayaks. And yeah, we got hooked up by Ocean Kayak. Hopefully we'll get them out in the water soon. All right, that's it for the yard.
That's it for the yard.
Go team.
Go team. Time for dinner, showers, and chill mode.
Chill mode. Well, I stand corrected. It was 19 bags, not 18. Oh man, it was a lot. But remember this thing? Hopefully we'll get back to some van build episodes in a little bit. But it's time for food.